Did you know that insurance company often try to pay you less than what you deserve? If you are settling a personal injury case, you need to know the right negotiation tactics or risk leaving thousands of dollars on the table. In this video, I will walk you through the exact step to negotiate a personal injury settlement like a pro. Whether it is a car accident, slip and fall, or workplace injury, I will show you how to maximizing your compensation and avoid common mistake that cost people money. So, if you want to win your claim and get what you deserve, stick around. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I am your host, and today we are diving deep into the art of negotiating a personal injury settlement. By the end of this video, you will know how insurance companies calculate settlement, the step by step process for negotiating your claim, proven a strategy to increase your payout, the common trap insurance company use and how to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Understanding how settlement work. First is, what is personal injury settlement? A settlement is an arrangement between you and the insurance company to resolve your claim without going to court. It includes compensation for medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and other damage. How do insurance companies calculate settlement? Economic damage, medical bills, lost income, property damage. Non economic damage, pain and suffering, emotional distress, the multiplier method. Insurance company often multiply medical expenses by 1.5 to 5 to estimate pain and suffering. Understanding how insurance calculate payout will help you know what is fair before you negotiate. Preparing for negotiation. Gather a strong evidence, medical records, doctor reports, hospital bill and treatment history, photo and videos, injuries, accident scene and damaged property, police report and witness statement, third party validation, strengthen your claim, and calculate your demand amount. Add up all medical bill, lost wage and other expenses. Factor in pain and suffering using the multiplier method. Always ask for more than what you expect to allow room for negotiation. Know your bottom line. Decide the lowest amount you are willing to accept before negotiation begin. Be realistic but firm about what you deserve. The negotiation process. Step 1. Send a strong demand letter. What to include? First is a detailed description of the accident, a breakdown of your medical expenses, lost wage and damage, a clear settlement demand amount, always higher than what you expect to receive. Step 2 is responding to the insurance adjuster. The insurance company will respond with a lower offer. This is normal. Stay calm and professional. Never accept the first offer. It is usually lower than what they are willing to pay. Step 3. Counter offer and justify your amount. Key strategy is re- reiterate your medical expenses and pain and suffering. Use fact and documentation to back up your counter effort. Emphasizing long-term impact of your injuries. Common mistake to avoid. Don't reveal your bottom line too soon. Keep room for further negotiation. Tactics to maximizing your settlement. Use leverage to your advantage. If the insurance company delay, remind them you are willing to take legal action. Mention comparable settlement from similar case. If your injuries are severe, emphasizing the long-term impact on your life. Watch out for insurance company trick. They may claim your injury are not serious, offer a low bail amount, hoping you will accept out of frustration, pressure you into quickly settling before you know the full extent of your damage. What to do? Stay patient. Stay patient. Never rush into a settlement. Stick to fact and documentation. Consult an attorney if needed. When to hire a lawyer. Not all claims need a lawyer, but consider hiring one if the insurance company refuses to negotiate fairly. You have serious injuries with long term effect. You are being offered way less than you want deserve. A good personal injury lawyer can negotiate aggressively to get you the best settlement, file a lawsuit if needed to pressure the insurance company, help maximizing compensation for pain, suffering, and further damage. Negotiating a personal injury settlement is not easy, but with the right approach, you can increase your payout significantly. Let's recap. Gather a strong evidence, send a solid demand letter, never accept the first offer, use leverage to your advantage, consider hiring a lawyer. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more legal tips. Have questions, drop them in the below, and I will be happy to help.